Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat from Grok Trade with the trade of the day. Today it was on GameStop. Big moves on GameStop. They talked and made an announcement about refinancing their bonds or something, and they were up like 25% at opening. And here it was at opening right here, and it was starting to low base here. Low base is a bearish pattern. So I set an order here, let the market come to me. Let's see what happened next, and bam, I am in at the 25.12. I am short 25.12 GameStop, and I have a 1% attached stop, which is at 25.37 is my 1% attached stop automatic. And then look at that, proceeded to drop here almost 4% in the first minute here. So let's loosen this up here and see where we go here next. And these are 1 minute candles, and it just started to low base down here. And then right here at the 34 even dollar amount, it was just stalling right here. And then it fell below this pivot line here. This yellow line is a pivot line, intraday only. This is where, based on price action of yesterday, below basing there. I was setting up a second order. Now I'm bringing my stop way in the money here. I'm bringing it up above the $24 mark here. 24.24 area is where my full stop is, but I'm setting up a half order to get out here if it stalls. And then bam, it dropped below that, and now it's stalling down here. 3 minutes below that line, I figured it's time to take out half. So I took out half here at a 23.37. 23.37 for 7% on the first half. Woo, doggies, I love it. And then I'm going to bring my stop down now. 23.88 area. 23.88 is where I have my stop. And that's just above where it was supporting here at 23.75. And that pivot line has to break through both of those and the 8 EMA. So I've got these shields to protect my stop. And let's see what happened after that. It just sat there for a while. And then, oh, look at that. How really, really close to it. Really, really close. And then, a weird thing, the tornado alarm went off here in Toledo, Ohio, where I live. I think it was a test. And I got to get up and went away. And right there, boom, it popped up right there and got me out at... filled me at 23.89 for 4.9% on the second half. So let's take a quick look at the trade. It was falling and is in a low base, and then it fell down. And when it stalled down here underneath this pivot line, I went ahead and I took out my half. And then when it broke back above the area of which was support, is now resistance, is now turning bullish, I'm out for a total trade of 5.9% in just 17 minutes. Wow, it was a great start to the day. But not only was it for me, but the other folks in the GrokGrad chat room, man, they had an incredible day today here. Let's take a look at that. Look, they had, there was my trade, number 2 right there. But in pre-market, Barry had one for 3% on Carvana, who was also on the big move today. And now look at all these other trades here. Look at them. Then these are what, different members of the room are posting their trades as we go along here. So look at the statistics for today. Now, this was an extraordinary day, but 12 out of 18 for 66% success rate. Our target is making money on 6 out of 10 trades, 60%. And our actual reward risk ratio, or profit factor, we want at least 1.6 to 1. Its stretch goal was 2 to 1. It was 2.8 to 1. We ended up with net of 18.25% today. All the posts that were made on the chat room today. That is incredible. And so I'm here in post-market recording this, but that was an incredible day. You can join us in the chat room 30 days for free if you want. Let's see here. Let's go to groktrade.com, and you can go to the GrokGrad chat room right here up there. You can read about it here Monday through Friday. If you can be in front of the markets between, say 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock Eastern time. That's market time. 6 weeks free trial. That's right. Now, if you go through our mentoring program, you can stay in the chat room free for the rest of your trading career. And so we have, if you want to know more about our mentoring, go to Trading Mentor. They're at the same page. And go through this. It's just firing up here now. Des is going to talk about our mentoring program. This is a matrix of different videos that will answer your questions, and then give us a call. We now have 4 different options and 4 different levels that you can take of our mentoring program to get the education that you need to be an educated trader. And then once you have that education, the newest and greatest tools we have available to help you with that new education is algorithms here. Go to Algo up here. You can read about our algos, and you can watch this initial program here. And he also has live seminars coming up, so keep in touch with that. These algorithms are calling out trades, and people are being very, very profitable using these new algorithms. Again, if you go through a mentoring program, you either get them for free, or you get them, depending on what level you're at, or you can get it for half price even. So there's 4 different algorithms here. You can read about it there. Again, these are tools for you to use once you have a solid trading education. It's kind of like giving you a brand new motorcycle, when you just learned to ride a bicycle, right? So you got to have a good education, and then these tools will really just give you turbocharge. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that the markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. Trade well, and may your winners run.